Number 10 wants us to find the angle theta in degrees. So we have our angle theta here. This is a right triangle, and that would make this the hypotenuse. From theta's perspective, this is the opposite, and this is the adjacent. So we can say that tangent of theta is equal to 9 over 13, because tangent is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Now we can actually take the tangent inverse of both sides. And we do that because the tangent inverse will actually cancel out the tangent and just leave us with tangent inverse of 9 over 13. And I want to type this into the calculator. I do want to make sure it's in degree mode. Let me make a note of that. Degree mode. That's kind of a scary thing in trig classes. Is your calculator in radian mode or is it in degree mode? Well, for this question it needs to be in degree mode. And we should get theta is approximately 34.70 degrees.